A lot of my friends tell me I want to draw a human figure, but no one wants to model for me. And I have the same problem. No one actually wants to sit for me. So what can you do in such a situation? Well, you can maybe visit art courses where they have models, either live or sculptures like you can see behind me, or you can visit galleries. Maybe you're going on holiday somewhere and you can visit a gallery where they have beautiful sculptures which are a perfect model for your art. And when you visit a gallery or museum, you should take a few pictures of the sculpture that you find interesting. Make sure you take the picture from different angles, and also take the picture of the description so you know what is the sculpture about. For example, if you visit British Museum in London, there's this famous sculpture called Discobolus, created by an ancient Greek sculptor called Myron. And I've done this actually. I went there, took a few snapshots. And then if you even have a sketchbook with you, that's even better, because you can do a few sketches of it while you're there. But if you don't, that's okay. I think the pictures will do. And then when you come home, you can print these pictures and redraw this beautiful piece of artwork for yourself, which you can put into your art portfolio, or alternatively, you can also put it on the wall. And then when a friend visits you and asks about what is this piece of artwork about, you can say, well, I went to British Museum, this is a famous sculpture created by Myron or some other famous artist, and you can tell them actually the whole story. It's very important that you create story about your artwork, because it just triggers interest into your art in general.